The Bund is the top attraction in Shanghai. How can we get there easily without any hassle? This video tells you the best way to get there. Save your time, your energy, your money. Just stick with it. Don't miss it. You have to get to a station called East Nanjing Road. East Nanjing Road, which is near the Bund. There are two subway lines which can reach there directly. Line 2 and line 10. Line 10 is purple. Line 2 is green. So no matter which subway line you are in, get into one of these subway lines, either line 2 or line 10. Here is the East Nanjing Road. When you are out of the East Nanjing Road Station and you have to find exit 3, the Bund, you can see it. Yeah, this exit is near the Bund. No any confusion. Exit 3, remember it. When you are on the East Nanjing Road, you walk eastward in that direction. In that direction. You can see an Apple store. Remember, walk eastward, that direction. When you walk around 10 minutes, eventually you get here, you can see the Bund. That is the Bund. It's a beautiful day. Okay guys, if you think this video is helpful and useful for you, please give me a like. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye.